I think we should probably do a giveaway. But what should we give away? Should we give away a 9th scale version of me? Welcome back to the Scale Builders Guild. Thanks again for watching. It's week 9 of the It's week 9 of the Traxxas TRX-4 Sport Kit budget build-off. And I've got a body again. Yes, that's what we'll be focusing most of our attention on this video, is the new Traxxas TRX-4 Sport Camper Body. And a lot of people, I think, were confused when I started referring to it as the Camper Body. I think people thought that it might be like an actual, camper. Rather than call it an SUV body, Traxxas decided to call it a camper style body. I don't really get it, but it is what it is. You'll note that it actually does fit quite well, even though the Proline cage is underneath it. I am planning on running it in exactly this format, so with the body and windows all intact. I might cut out the front windows just to give it a bit of depth, and of course we do need to put an interior in there at some point, so that'll be coming up in future episodes. I'm pretty excited about this body though, because it's gonna start to make this look like the Jeep Speed inspired truck that I was kinda always going for. It's an old build that I did a long time ago, but it was one of my favorites. I wanted to try to recreate it here on the TRX-4 Sport. I haven't gotten around to creating or thinking about really even the color scheme that I want to do on this truck body, but I do have some pretty good ideas, and I do kind of want to be a bit of a troll with it too. So while it doesn't really look like a Jeep, maybe it'll be painted like one. Or maybe not. I don't know. I've got a lot of things rolling around in that old brain, and I'm wondering if you have any good suggestions for a paint scheme that I should use, or a livery, in fact. If there's something you've seen online or something you'd like me to try to recreate, I am all ears and I'm more than willing to do it. So put a comment down below. I will check them all out and I'll pick one of my favorites, and that'll be the scheme that we go with. Keep in mind that, of course, I am not Hemi-Storm and I cannot do some of the crazier things that he's done, but if there's something out there that you think I'm capable of, put it down below. I'd love to get your feedback, and you know that I answer every single comment. Religiously, I do it. It's like my favorite thing in the whole world, so keep it up. I picked up that camper body for $44.95. So that does put a bit of a dent in this week's budget, but of course I had lots of money left over from last week, so we're in pretty good shape going into week 10. I know that I mentioned a giveaway at the very beginning of this video, and I am not going to let you down. I think it might be time to give away the TRD painted sport body. Now, this is a pretty well-detailed body. It's got a little bit of mud on it from one usage. But let's give it away. I will pick one of the comments at random from this video only. So make sure that you comment on this video to participate in this giveaway, because I do want to give this away and I want it to go to a good home. If you've got a Traxxas TRX-4 Sport already, this might be the body for you. If you don't have a TRX-4 Sport, you can wear it as a hat. It's a good looking hat. In addition to the body swap, I also decided to add the Bauhaus RC low CG battery tray. I won't be able to move the battery to the front of the truck anytime soon, so I figured why not help performance a little bit, lower that center of gravity even further by adding this battery tray. Super easy to install. Just remove the existing battery tray, remove a couple of screws, add in the new battery tray by sliding it in horizontally through the frame rails, and you are done. Super easy, super great way to lower that center of gravity just a little bit extra and give yourself a slight performance improvement. I'll put a link in the description below where you can pick up this battery tray for $24.99. And it's time for a quick tally. With the body at $44.95 and the low CG battery tray at $24.99, that brings me to a total of $69.94 for this week. With my remainder from the previous week, I'm left with a grand total of $25.06 to carry over into week 10. I am doing very well, I think. Don't forget, of course, to enter the giveaway for the TRD themed sport body. I'd really like to give it away to somebody who's really going to appreciate it. I hope that you will take some time to put a comment below and enter yourself into the giveaway. I'm really looking forward to hearing all of your feedback on what sort of paint scheme I should do on this camper body, and I hope that you've enjoyed this light but still informative video. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again soon.